Yeah, good morning, MarketChameleon.com. I'm Adam from Amsterdam. Uncle Will, say hi.
Hello, everybody. Happy New Year, chameleons.
Happy New Year, chameleons. We are, this is the first show of the new year. Psyched about it, dude. I'm in Amsterdam, just so everybody knows, went for my chiropractic adjustment this morning, had to get my back right, man.
How'd that go?
Went great, dude. Guy from Jersey was the chiropractor. He's like #1 chiropractor in Amsterdam, man. What do you know? Guy from Jersey, dude. George from Jersey. Crack me out. You know? Yeah, man.
Don't get too used to that. You don't have to want to be flying your private jet to Amsterdam every time you need your back cracked.
Dude, when you got to come to Amsterdam, you got to visit George, man. My Molly, don't tell me to shush, Mom. I'm on a live show, man. My wife's telling me to be quiet because we got neighbors here in Amsterdam. She doesn't want to be known as the loud.
Knocking on the
She doesn't want to be known as the loud gringos here in Amsterdam.
I don't blame her. All the way. God, we had these Costa Ricans staying next to us. My God, you thought Americans were loud. Wait till you hear the Costa Ricans.
All right, man. Let's get to the chameleon. What do you got going on for us today?
Well,
it's like to get back into the new year.
First day of the new year, we woke up to the market down almost 450 in the pre-market. It's still down now. So if you haven't done your SPY research, I'd recommend you take a look at the King Chameleon's video on volatility and looking at the volatility metrics in SPY. I'm sure Adam can attach the link, even though he's
why don't you share your screen with us there, man? I'm not seeing the screen.
What?
Go ahead and share it with us.
What's going on with the tech? I mean, the technology's changed since you've gone to Costa Rica. What's up with that?
You mean Amsterdam, man? Yeah, come to Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
I gotta say, our internet here is rock solid. We have a great internet here in Amsterdam. So,
really?
Anybody coming? Oh man, yeah. 200 download, 50 up. It's pretty nice, man. Pretty nice.
So again, back to the market. In the pre-market, this first trading day of the new year, the SPY has been down as much as I think 450 in the pre-market. This is Friday's or Monday's close. Obviously, it hasn't pricked up any pre-market pricing yet, but be aware. I would go through Dimitri's little tutorial on. It's not little; it's actually quite good. Excuse me, I'm about to do one of those legendary McBride morning hiccups.
Come on, man.
Yeah, you know what? Thank God we're just on YouTube. It'd be a real nightmare if I was like on CNBC or something. But here we go again. Market's down. We have to make sure we have some opportunities both to get long and get short, and just understand what's going on with the market. So again, Adam, if you put that link up for the SPY analysis, but it actually looked, I was looking at the volatility skew earlier, and it looks like it's been coming in. So that, as it moves, more towards, lower vols, people are getting more bullish. So we'll see where it goes this morning, what happens with the vols. But certainly the pre-market, there's a selling pressure in the SPY. I was actually looking at, and then looking at the option order flow sentiment. It's been increasingly bearish as well. You look at a bearish market spread, a credit call spread here in SPY, and there are a lot of opportunities to get bearish here and do it with the theoretical edge, high win rates. We can search by the win rates. Yep. Wow, look at that. We got a full page of 100. A lot of winners, upside cushion. So all the things we look at to, start identifying good places to start and put in the numbers and the back testing on our side. And that's the big pieces, the back testing. I also went into the bearish sentiment just to see if anything jumped up that I'd maybe want to take a look at to kind of jump on a bearish individual trade in the stocks, and a couple jumped up. I searched by the notional, bearish notional here, and the top. I just took the top three. Bud, do you know what Bud is?
Yeah, but I'm in Amsterdam now, man. When I'm here, I drink Amstel.
I thought that recipe came from Amsterdam. I thought it was, doesn't it? We have Allstate, an insurer, Hess, an oil. Actually, it's a big mix. Hess. They both do the processing of the oil, and they were a big retailer. Though I think they may have gotten out of the retail space, but they were one of the first people to be retailing up and down 95 in the Northeast corridor. But anyways, a lot of you see, in Bud, I looked at the credit call spreads, and there were a bunch of opportunities again with the high win rates, theoretical edge, upside cushion, return of stock. I mean, this is the amazing thing. My brother's like, you have to be on in 10 minutes. And I don't know. What are you doing today? You going to the zoo or something?
I lost you for a second there. We had a glitch. Actually, funny, we're going, I think we might be going like, well, I don't think I'm going to do it, but there's some sort of thing where you hang off the edge of a building in the middle of Amsterdam and do like a semi-bungee swingy sort of thing. We're thinking about doing that.
Can you get video of that?
Of course, dude.
What do I think? I get very nauseous just going out on my kid's trampoline. I do not need to be vomiting. I think it's a great idea that they allow it to happen, though. I love it. I know.
Actually, what I was talking about was a Stella. So you drink Stella beer. The river that this house is located on is the Stella River right here in Amsterdam.
So is that where they pull the water to produce
the freshest of fresh mountain spring water?
Now, for the locals, that's a very generic beer. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's like Budweiser, basically. Yeah, I think it's it's the Budweiser of Amsterdam.
Because they've done a great job of marketing it here. Stella, very very popular beer, and one of the ways they did it was they have a great glass to serve it in. So they gave away the glasses. They gave all the bars special glasses to serve it in, and it really grew in popularity very fast. But if you look at Allstate, it's been in a bear. It touched that bear market number down about 20%. It's come back a little. If this market rolls over, this could be one that rolls over. Looked at Allstate again, not a ton, but there were 3 with theoretical edge, win rates, and the upside cushion, and you can see the percent returns. Now, what I was saying is, you can do this search very quickly. This is something I put together because we were in a European rush this morning, and it was amazing how many things I was able to find that, Hess again in a down, it's down $20 here. That puts it in a bear market as well. There was the Hess opportunities, lots of trades with edge. Win rate's not as good. Let me search by the win rates, actually. Looks like the win rates were actually, you got to really go through this one. Here's 189%.
Supposedly, you correct me if I'm wrong, but supposedly Hess, all the money's to be made in the plastic trucks. Is that true?
And they do it right around Thanksgiving. And what's Thanksgiving? Black Friday. It's when all the retailers go into the black. So the Hess trucks do help push it over the edge. Getting some strange feedback today. It's interesting. Technology is always a challenge. I do have one bullish thing to think about this morning. Amazon.
Oh boy!
If anyone missed it, Amazon's really going to push the Whole Foods model to the next space. So I would go through Amazon, I looked at some bullish opportunities. None occurred, but I would keep an eye on Amazon and bullish plays coming up. I would also look at the other retailers in the actual grocery space and start to pick some bearish ideas, because this could really get interesting. I know the margins in that space are so tight to begin with. So keep an eye on it.
Interesting. Well, I don't know if Amazon. I was going to try out Amazon while I was here in Europe, see how it works. So I will definitely report back on my Amazon experience over here in Europe. We shall see.
Well,
I can attest that Uber is working well and highly effective and beautiful cars here in Europe. I don't know. What would be $100,000, $120,000 Mercedes Benz this morning was my Uber pickup for my €6 Uber ride to the chiropractor. Very nice.
Chameleons can't wait for them to rush Lyft and Uber to the public markets. And
it's going to be interesting.
It's going to be really interesting. Start getting your short pants out.
All right, everybody. Remember, click the links down below. Join us at MarketChameleon.com. You can try your MarketChameleon.com's premium services for free for 7 days. And always listen to the podcast, man. We had a bunch of viewers again yesterday. You know, it was a day off, but everybody caught the episode, man.
Wait.
We had like, yeah.
Wait, are they viewers or listeners?
Listeners. Did I say viewers? Man, I'm tired.
You did.
This jet lag has got me, man.
I was just wondering because I sometimes refer to what we do as podcasts, and my mother was correcting me the other day, saying that you don't do podcasts, you do videos, live videos. I was like, you're right, Mom. You're so into it. Love
and podcasts. She couldn't believe when I said you had a podcast too. She said that's impossible. All right, brother. Take care. Everybody have a good day. Trade and stay safe out there. Okay.
Be safe. Be safe.
All right. Take care, everybody.